Judge me when you are perfect. I don't care about other people, I just care about my future. Silence isn't empty, it's full of answers. I am who I am, not who you think I am, not who you want me to be. I am me. No one can love you more than the one who cried for you. Some people come in your life just to teach you how to let go. There's so much that you can learn when you just listen. People value you when they lose you. Be valuable, not available. Understand is an art, and everyone is not an artist. When the past comes knocking, don't answer. It has nothing new to tell you. Stop wasting your time on a person who's not sure about you. Don't force anyone to stay in your life. If they really want to you, they will stay. Don't go online for someone because no one will come for you. The best gift you can give someone is dua. Please live your life for yourself, not for others. Life is too short. Live with someone who is crazy about you. Dear God, today I wake up. I am healthy, I am alive, and I am fine. Thank you. Happiness is not about getting all you want. It's about enjoying all you have. I am a strong person, but once in a while I need someone to hug me and tell me everything is going to be okay. When I care, I don't live. When I live, I don't care. One day I will die and you will be thinking I am offline. If you liked this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.